Enhance your hydraulic systems with Packard's Ermeto DIN fitting component, FM16S71. This EO2 functional nut, crafted from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensures reliable connections for hydraulic tubes in high-pressure applications up to 400 bar. With a 16mm tube outer diameter and M24 x 1.5 metric thread connection, this fitting provides exceptional durability in extreme temperatures from -60 degrees Celsius to +400 degrees Celsius. Designed for use with hydraulic fluids, chemicals, fuels, gases and steam, it's ideal for industries such as agriculture, automotive, marine and power generation. Available with FKM seals, this versatile component meets the demands of aggressive media and environmental challenges, ensuring long-lasting performance. Upgrade your systems today. Visit us at www.offshoredimensionspackardstore.com or call +234 909 482 1645 or email us at sales@offshoredimension.com to place your order today.